Sending money internationally just got simpler with Remitly. Let's walk through it. First, download the Remitly app from your app store or visit their website for this tutorial. We'll focus on the app once you've opened the app. Tap on Sign Up. If you're a new user, you'll need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your first and last name. Just as they appear on your government-issued ID, you'll also need to provide your phone number and country of residence. Remitly uses this information for verification and security purposes. Once your account is set up, it's time to send money. Tap on Send Money and start by entering the amount you wish to send. Remitly will immediately show you the exchange rate and any fees, so you know exactly how much your recipient will get. Now, let's add your recipient. Tap on Add New Recipient. You'll need their full name, their phone number, and their address. Double-check all these details for accuracy, as a mistake here can delay the transfer. The next crucial step is choosing how your recipient will receive the money. Remitly offers various options, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or even home delivery. Depending on the country, select the method that best suits your recipient. Finally, it's time to pay. You can link a debit card or your bank account as your payment method. Enter your card details or bank account information. Securely review all the transfer details one last time. Circumflex euros. The amount, recipient information, and delivery method. Circumflex euros. And then hit Send Money. You'll receive a confirmation, and your recipient will be notified.